Hello guys, for today's video we're back once again for JML, and this is Rewrite the Star Performance. Think about this release movie to react this one and all the fans with them. Hello, I am a Filipino but I am in Grace now as an OFW. Yes, I hope you enjoy and entertain. Continue to support our kababayan. Let's go.
Pero ito na, for our next song, isa po ito sa mga lagi pong nare-request sa amin. And actually, niline up din po namin siya sa mga performances namin sa Birthday Sounds Familiar. Okay, tapos, ito din yung isa sa mga,
Unang
ito yung,
kinanta natin.
kinanta natin sa Showtime.
Showtime.
After winning TNT Duet Season 1. And, ito rin po yung first time na hindi ko na tinawag si JM na kuya. Si...
Parang tanda ko naman kasi yung kuyahin mo ako.
Try natin ulit. 1, 2, 3, go. Kuya JM!
Daddy, bagay po.
Bagay.
Nagpabakis pa ako. Kuyahin lang ako. Oh, yan po yung time na yun. Oh!
Ay, pero wait lang ha. JM, dyan ka lang. Kausapin mo muna sila. May gagawin lang ako kasi parang di bagay.
Ano gagawin mo?
Wala naman.
Wait. Guys, pinorward ko lang guys kasi parang sobrang tagal ng intro, but I know we love JML.
It's not a secret, try to you know you want me. So don't say nothing. So tell me. Your pain is not in the cause. Your pain is pulling your heart away. And now but you're here in my heart. So who can stop me if I decide it's your one destiny?
Oh, nung nandun ako sa Pinas, grabe, I'm so super fan talaga ng JML. Ang galing talaga nila sa TNT. They are the first ever to champion sa tawag ng tanghalan sa H Showtime. To find to me. Like, wala kang masasabi sa kanilang, wala kang mapupuna. Kasi individually, sobrang galing. Like, yung pinaka, strength talaga, yung lakas ng dalawang to when they're doing a duet, any songs, kayang-kaya nilang, bigyan ng ibang flavor, nagiging colorful, mas magiging malasa pa kung sa pagkain pa. Mas the more delicious, ang galing talaga.
You think it's easy? You think I don't want it once? But there are mountains, and there are doors that you can't walk through. I know you're wondering why, because you're waiting on me, just you and me within these walls. But when we go outside, you gotta wake up and see that it was hopeless after all.
to fly with you. All I want is to fly with you. So just let me on you.
If is it possible? Is it possible?
Say that it's possible.
Yan guys, yung sinasabi ko, napakagaling, napakagaling, napakagaling. They're just super artistic artist. Grabe.
And to be mine, nothing can keep us apart. Changing the world to the It's not a secret truth that I can have you. Back to breaking my
Sabi ko ba, ang galing, grabe. GM and Mariel, napakagaling yun, napakasulit. As always, napakasulit naman talaga ng mga bosses. At napakaganda. They're just amazing, amazing artists. In the Philippines, they're just so proud of you, you know. Even me here in the Europe, in Greece, as an OFW, I'm just so proud of you guys. I hope you continue to support them. Thank you po. Maraming salamat po.